All right, the code is in the description below. Basically what this does is it's going to copy this location. You'll put the location path here at the beginning. For me, I just did this. You go to the location, then just click up there, and it will give you the link. You put that right there. And then this is what it's going to be copying. And this is where it's going to be copying to. Now what this is location. So it's put in the G:/ there. Then year, month, day, and then Premiere Projects, because that's the name of the folder, so I just want to keep it the same. And it's grabbing the month here and the name of the month. So let's go ahead and run this and see what happens. Right now, this is the Premiere folder that it's going to start going through and copying all this stuff. So let's go ahead and run this. You'll see there, this is what you'll see. This little black box will be here. And there you go. So it's copying the information. You can see this right now. If you just go to here, 2017, November 3, Premiere Projects, HTC Vive, and it's currently copying over the actual data file right here. You can refresh, it'll be a little bit bigger. Go. Yep. That's how that works. Now, let's say you don't want to see this ugly box here and you just want to make it, invisible. You're going to need something called batch.exe converter. You'll open that up. You go ahead and find the batch file, which is on the desktop. I call it external drive. You'll select invisible application, 64-bit. Then you'll click compile. Then you'll get a nice little program right here. And you'll run this. And here, let's just try this again just so you can see that it is doing this. So let's delete this. Now let's go ahead and run this. There you go. So it is copying this stuff right now as we speak. But how do you stop it? What if you don't want it to run anymore? Well, we named it external drive, so you open this up, and one easy way to check is do this for network. And actually, in this case, it's not going to be using the network, so you look for what's using the most disk space, which is Microsoft RoboCopy. We go ahead and end that. Then you might have to also find the actual program itself, external drive, because we called it an invisible application. So I'm just going to go like this. And we'll look here. This. Something called external drive. We'll also want to end that. That's the actual application. That RoboCopy, the first thing that we ended was the actual copy process. There you go. Now, you might ask yourself, well, how do I make this do it automatically? Well, that's where it already is in the code right here. So once it's done, finished updating, every 20 seconds it's going to check again to see if there's something new that it's supposed to copy. And what this is doing is RoboCopy is actually just copying. /E is copying all files, folders, subdirectories, and all that stuff. This rem here is just it's a comment. This line is actually not running right now. Putting this /mov on there is a cut and paste, which means it's going to get rid of the original file from the source directory after it's done pasting it. And that's how that works. But you might be asking yourself again, what if you don't want to have a timeout here and instead just have it run once in a while, like on a schedule? Well, go ahead and get rid of this timeout line here and save it. Then you're going to want to press the start menu button there, type in task scheduler. We want to go to create a basic task and name it something like that, whatever. And here you can just specify whatever you want it to do, like maybe whenever you log in, and just do a quick backup of everything. Then start program, and you'll navigate to your program, which for us is on our desktop, and it's called external drive. To do that, you'll just click next and then finish. Simple as that.